Shri Vijaya Sai Reddy. It is maiden speech,
Yes, sir.
15 minutes maximum. Telugu telustadi.
Honorable Vice Chairman, at the outset, I would like to express my gratitude to my revered leader, young leader, Sri Y.S. Jagannath Reddy Garu, for the opportunity what he has given to me to represent the party in this August House and represent the people of this country and also more particularly the people of Andhra Pradesh. I am profusely thankful to you for the opportunity you have given to me to speak on the issue relating to 5 crore people of Andhra Pradesh who have been given the raw deal while the state was divided. And these people of Andhra Pradesh are helplessly, desperately waiting for the justice from the government of India. Sir, though I am a single member from the party, YSR Congress Party, the YSR Congress Party has got 44.4% of the votes that have been polled to the party in the last elections that have been held in 2014. It is the main principal opposition party and the only opposition party in Andhra Pradesh. Therefore, the voice of mine would be very important, at least so far as this issue is concerned. Therefore, I earnestly request you to permit me to speak at least for about 20 minutes instead of 15 minutes. Sir, inasmuch as the United Andhra Pradesh that has been divided is a reality, the fact that injustice has been done to residuary state of Andhra Pradesh is also a reality now. I thought of raising some important legal issues. So far as this issue is concerned, I was under the impression that the Honorable Finance Minister, who is also an eminent lawyer, and also the Honorable Minister for Law would be present in this House. It is unfortunate that they are not there.
No, there is there, Minister is there.
Anyhow, thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much, madam. Yes, sir. Sir, the Honorable Finance Minister, 2 days back, in this August House, has expressed an opinion that this particular amendment bill to the AP Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Amendment Bill is not maintainable in this August House for the simple reason that it is a money bill. Sir, I would like to draw your kind attention. When the AP Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Bill was passed in 2014, it was passed invoking Article 3 and 4 of the Constitution of India, wherein, though constitutional amendment was required, without amending the Constitution, this AP Reorganization Bill was passed. Most of the honorable members are aware of it. Further, to say that this bill is a money bill, under Article 109, it is the Speaker who has to decide, and such decision of the Speaker is final and it is not even subject to judicial review. My question is, when the original enactment is not to be treated as money bill, how come an amendment to the original act can be treated as a money bill? That's a question which I would like to bring to the notice of the Honorable Finance Minister. Sir, there might be certain exigencies and political compulsions and also for technical reasons the treasury benches would like to treat this as money bill. However, from the legal point of view, nobody can say that this is a money bill, because the original enactment has been done invoking Article 3 and 4 of the Constitution of India. Even if this bill, even certain amendments are required to be made, there is an enabling provision under the Article 4 of the Constitution of India, and any incidental issues that are to be dealt with along with the original act can be done invoking Article 4 of the Constitution of India. Please. Sir, if this bill is to be treated as money bill, then of course I am of the sincere opinion that under Article 110 subclass 3 is required, and larger debate is required on this, because it will have far-reaching consequences. Every bill or majority of the bills that are coming to this house, at least 70-75% of the bills that are coming to this house will have some money ramifications or other. If treasury benches, if government of India is going to take a stand that all these bills are money bills and they are not to be placed, they are not maintainable in Rajya Sabha, then probably the very efficacy of bicameral parliamentary system would be at stake. Please, sir. Please, I'm repeating it. The very efficacy of bicameral parliamentary system would be at stake. Therefore, I earnestly request the Government of India not to treat this as a money bill, but allow the bill to be, anyhow this bill has been placed, and allow this bill to be voted in this August House. This is my request, sir. Sir, my next point. On 18th February 2014, we are all aware that Lok Sabha has passed this AP reorganization bill. On 20th February 2014, it was placed on Rajya Sabha, and there was a debate that has taken place in Rajya Sabha, and it has been approved in the Rajya Sabha. There was an extensive debate, even though there was no debate in Lok Sabha, there was an extensive debate that has taken place in Rajya Sabha. And the Prime Minister himself, none other than Prime Minister himself, has given an assurance in this August House that 6 issues would be addressed in this AP reorganization bill, which our honorable member Jairam Ramesh Garu has already explained, so I don't want to repeat the same. However, one of the issues, one of the assurances that Prime Minister has given is special category status to Andhra Pradesh. There, one paragraph which he has inadvertently omitted to read, I'll just read what Prime Minister has stated on that particular day, that last para. Sir, quote, "Sir, I hope these additional announcements will demonstrate our steadfast commitment to not just the creation of Telangana, but also continued prosperity and welfare of Seemandhra." This is what the Honorable Prime Minister has stated in the August House. Sir, my point now, when Prime Minister has stated that the Andhra Pradesh, residuary state of Andhra Pradesh, should be given special status for a period of 5 years, the present Honorable Minister for Urban Development has categorically stated that it is not 5 years' time. 5 years is not adequate. For any entrepreneur to start an industry, it will take 3 years' time, and there will only be remaining 2 years for the entrepreneurs to enjoy the incentives that will be conferred by virtue of this bill. Therefore, 5 years is not adequate. It should be 10 years. This is what the Honorable
Thank you very much.
Honorable Minister has stated. Sir,
अरे क्या हो गया?
sir, my contention is, when the Prime Minister himself has given a statement on the floor of this House,
अरे वो नहीं
and
बोला।
the enactment has been made,
नहीं, इसकी-
and the enactment has been made, and the bill has become a law, usually,
Okay.
whenever there is a dispute, the courts interpret, when courts interpret the provisions of the Act, it is the minister's statement will be read along with the provisions of the relevant Act. And what I am trying to say is, even the minister's statement and Prime Minister's statement would become, though it would not part of the law, but it will be read together while interpreting the provisions of law. Therefore, whatever assurances that have been given by the Prime Minister, they have to be adhered to. Thirdly, sir, as the Honorable Finance Minister of the day, 2 days back has clearly stated that government is a continuous identity. Yes, government is a continuous identity.
जयराम रमेश कितना
Parties may come to power
6, 7,
and parties may go out of the power. But government will be continuous.
619 year.
When the government on that day, none other than Prime Minister has given an assurance on the floor of the House. And if the government is a continuous identity, the government of today, unless and until the decision of taken by the then government is reversed, how can it be possible that the decision taken by the then government is not implemented in its letter and spirit? Therefore, it is obligatory on the part of the government now to implement the assurances given by the then Prime Minister in its letter and spirit. Sir, such a reversal, I am afraid, in case if the assurances that have been given by the then Honorable Prime Minister are not implemented in its letter and spirit, probably I am afraid whether they will tantamount to breach of privilege also. I really don't know whether it will tantamount to breach of privilege or not. Sir, when it comes to the special status to Andhra Pradesh, residuary state of Andhra Pradesh is concerned, BJP and also Telugu Desam Party in their manifesto has categorically stated that in case if they come to power, they will give minimum of 10 years and 15 years of special status to the residuary state of Andhra Pradesh. It is the assurances that have been given in their election manifesto. Further, in the election rally that has been conducted, wherein the Prime Minister, the present Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister has attended on 29th April 2014 at Tirupati and on 1/5/2014 at Visakhapatnam, the Honorable Prime Minister, present Honorable Prime Minister himself has stated in the rally, election rally, that the residuary state of Andhra Pradesh would be granted special status as promised for a period of 10 years.
बोल दिया।
Sir, the present Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh has taken a paradigm shift in so far as special status to Andhra Pradesh is concerned, and now he says that special status is not a Sanjeevani. There can. Sir, I am not yielding, sir. I am not referring to any name. I am not referring to any name. I am only saying that Andhra Pradesh, Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. I am not referring to any name. Sir, the present Chief Minister of Andhra, I am reiterating once again, sir, the present Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh has taken a paradigm shift in his stand.
No, listen, Mr. Reddy.
Yes, sir.
The position is, you cannot criticize a person who cannot come here and defend.
Sir, I am not referring to any name.
No, you cannot criticize the present Chief Minister here. No, because he cannot defend it here. That's the problem.
Right.
So don't criticize, but you
Sir, that is the statement what he has given. So I am not criticizing. Sir, does it tantamount to criticism? No, sir.
No, I am only
It is
saying
not
that.
criticism. I'm reiterating the statement what he has given. So, sir, it is definitely a Sanjeevani, and it is a lifeline for the people of Andhra Pradesh, and the special status should be granted to residuary state of Andhra Pradesh, whatever be the cost and whatever be the consequences. And it is for this reason, sir, I would like to state one more fact also. It is, anyhow, the decision has been taken, as I have stated earlier, the decision has been taken by the then government, headed by the Congress party, to divide the state of Andhra Pradesh, and it has become reality now. Whatever has been done, but the promises that have been made should be fulfilled at any cost. Though the
Okay,
Congress
15
party
minutes ho
was pardon, sir.
Maiden speech only 15 minutes.
Sir, another 2 minutes, sir. Another 2 minutes.
No,
sir.
No.
Sir,
There is no time.
Another 2 minutes, sir.
No, that I
Sir,
can't.
YSR Congress party, headed by our leader,
Okay.
has been in the forefront and has been fighting for the special status for the last 2 years, since 2014. And will continue to fight for the special status, even in future also if it is not granted, till the special status is granted.
Okay. Thank you, that's fine.